Hello, darlings. It's Melissa. Thank you for coming to learn and grow with the Learning Technologies team. In this video, we'll show you how to add a Kami assignment in Canvas. Inside of the Assignments menu, you'll see an orange button up top that says Add Assignment. Give your assignment a name, student directions, and decide how many points you want the assignment to be worth. Under the submission type, you'll see a special button that says Kami Assignment. This will open up your Kami assignment settings. Number 1, attach a file of the assignment that you want students to open with Kami. This assignment can be coming from your Google Drive, your computer, or any template within the Kami library. Let's talk a little bit about the settings to update in number 2. Assessment mode means that once students have submitted an assignment, they will lose access until you have graded the assignment and returned it. Notice how when the assessment mode is clicked, you can choose a date that the student's work will automatically be submitted. Next, there are feature controls. Feature control allows for students to only access the tools that are needed for any particular assignment. If it is purple, then they will see it when they sign in. But don't worry if you forget something, because you can update feature controls in real time. Lastly, enable real-time monitoring if you would like to see the student's submission inside of SpeedGrader. If you intend to just use Classview, it's not important to have that checked at all. And that's it, folks. It is that easy to add a Kami assignment through Canvas. And you want your Kami assignments to be through Canvas because Classview is absolutely awesome. It allows you to see all the students' work in real time, also give them feedback in real time, and the answers view gives you a great summary on how students are doing in order to make instructional decisions about concepts that should possibly be revisited. Thanks for stopping by to see how you can create Kami assignments in Canvas. We can't wait to see how you engage your students and collaborate with Kami.